Hey guys, this is Becky 103 here, and today I figured that I would go ahead and do another review on one of my vacuums. So this time we're going to be reviewing the Hoover Windtunnel Plus. One of my friends gave me this machine. The main issue with this is that when I turn this machine on, it smells and it stinks really bad. And the bag hasn't been changed yet also. I replaced the bag on this, and I cleaned the whole machine, and it works pretty good. And the one thing I noticed, that I never used this machine a long time ago. So like I never used this machine a long time ago, ever. So I'll go ahead and do a review. Right here it says patented wind tunnel. You got 3 height adjustments, go from hardwood floor to low pile carpet to high pile carpet. And right here it says Hoover cleaning performance equals 25.0. It's got 12 amp motor. It's got the Hoover logo. And underneath here's the little stiff brush roll. It's a little dusty. I did use this machine about a week ago, so I was vacuuming here in my room. Underneath is a headlight, and the headlight works. On the side, right here, you have the 5-stage microfiltration. Right here is the filter. It's a little dirty, but I don't know if you could tell it's a little dirty. So it's kind of dirty. And the bag to release, you just simply pop it off. And the bag I'm using is Febreze bags to this machine. And for some reasons why I'm using these Febreze bags to the Hoover, because I want the machine to smell good. So yeah, and underneath the bag is the filter. If I can get it out. So, yeah, here's the filter. It's not a little dirty, but so yeah. And I might have to change the bag because you could like fill it. I don't know if you could tell, like, yeah, I could definitely fill the bag a little bit. So I might have to change it. I don't know. So if I can like put it. Okay, so I think I got it in there. I don't know. Hold on. If I can, unless, hold on. I'm trying to get it in there. Oops. The filter's not all the way in there. Okay, hold on a sec. Let's set y'all down here. Okay. Put the filter's back in. So is the bag. And then we'll put the bag in. I don't know if the bag is in all the way. Alright. Right here, the cord almost fell off. Anyways, right here, I don't know if you can see. Right here, it has a filter bag indicator, which tells you that it's time to change the bag, or if there's a clog, or the filter needs to be cleaned out. Tools right here, you get the dusting brush, and you get the upholstery tool, and you get crevice tool right here. And then if I get back in, on the back you get like one of the extension ones. There used to be another extension one to this. I don't know where it went. And right here's the hose. It's not really that long. It's like hard hose. And I think I said this before, I don't like the hard hose. I like the stretchy ones because I like to get the stairs down easily. So anyways, right here on top you got on a switch right here, and right here on the side you got the foot release right here. So, and on the back, here is your cord, and it's kind of long too. So like, yeah, like this is like a long cord. So yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a demonstration. So I'm gonna set y'all down, plug the vacuum in. So I mean, like this is like the first time I ever used this machine. It just felt like I'm using the Hoover Windtunnel Supreme. So yeah, like this is like the first time I ever, like I never used a Hoover Windtunnel, like the older Hoover Windtunnels in my life. So I'll plug in. Alright. I'm gonna give you guys a heads up. It's very loud. So if you're wearing headphones, make sure you turn down your volume. Oops. This little thing that almost fell off. So anyways, make sure you turn down your volume. It's very loud. So here we go. It's very loud. So it did a really good job, and I could definitely smell the Febreze bag. Like I really want this machine to smell good. And one time, like when I was vacuuming this room, it makes the room smell good because I had the Febreze bag in there. So thank you guys for watching, and I just wanted to tell you guys I might be doing a big mess test soon because I do not have any more cat litter, but I'm going to get some cat litter some more, and then I'll do some big mess tests with this one. Or if you guys have any requests on what mess test that I should do, put it in a comment down below. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm going to give a shout out to Gamer6472, which is Margot, Buster1849, Young Flemmy, Braden D, Michael Stinston, NYC Subway Guy, Richard Biolot, Vacuum Prince, and everybody else. So thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.